Hello children, today from chapter 5 fractions in session 6 let we learn simplification of fractions. In last session we learnt about equivalent fractions, then how to find equivalent fractions, how to find equivalent fraction for given fraction, then how to reduce it, that we have to find, that we learned. Now here let we find simplification of fractions. Now in our earlier classes we have learned about equivalent fraction. There this figure already we have studied, that here if two parts are done and this part is shaded, then we call it 1 by 2, isn't it? Now same figure here, if I did 4 parts and 2 parts are shaded, then we write it 2 by 4. Out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. Again same figure. Here if we have 8 different parts, check, these are 8 different parts and out of 8, 4 parts are shaded. We write it 4 by 8 and we know they are 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4 is equals to 4 by 8 and we call them equivalent fraction. If 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 4 is equals to 4 by 8, then definitely 4 by 8 is equals to 2 by 4 and is equals to 1 by 2, isn't it? Here 1 by 2, if it is equals to 2 by 4 and this 2 by 4 is equals to 4 by 8, if these are equal to one another, then definitely we can write 4 by 8 is equals to 2 by 4 is equals to 1 by 2, isn't it? Now 1 by 2 we can convert to 4 by 8. What we did, 1 by 2, multiply this by 2 into 2, numerator is multiplied by 2, denominator is multiplied by 2, then we are getting 2 by 4, isn't it? Now this 1, if it is multiplied to 4, if this 2 is multiplied to 4, then 1 4s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. This 1 by 2 is converted to 4 by 8, isn't it? Now how to convert this 4 by 8 to 2 by 4 or this 4 by 8 to 1 by 2? Here we multiplied the numbers, same numerator and denominator is multiplied by the same factor. 1 by 2, when it is multiplied by 2 by 2, then we get 2 by 4. When 1 by 2 is multiplied by 4 by 4, then when we get 4 by 8. Now this 4 by 8, how to convert to 2 by 4, or this 4 by 8, how we should convert to 1 by 2, that let we learn. Now this 4 by 8, when it is divided by, here we multiplied numerator and denominator, isn't it? Then here 4 by 8, when it is divided by 2 by 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. This 4 by 8 is reduced to 2 by 4. This 4 by 8, when it is divided by 2 by 2, it is reduced to 2 by 4. Or this 4 by 8, when it is divided by same 4 by 4, both numerator and denominator are divided by 4, then we get 1 by 2. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So here answer we get 1 by 2 and therefore 4 by 8 is equals to 2 by 4 and it is also equals to 1 by 2. So here what we derive from this example, we can conclude that equivalent fractions are obtained by dividing the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by same number. So here both numerator and denominator should be divided by equal fraction. It should be divided by equal number. Both numerator and denominator, here we divided by 2 and we are getting equal fraction. Here value is reduced, but the fraction is the same. The value of both the fraction, it remains the same. Here 4 by 8 is equals to 2 by 4 and it is equals to 1 by 2. Now let we learn to reduce a given fraction. Let me simplify here a number, a fraction, it is 3 by 9. Now 3 by 9, bring it to the simplest form. Now check here 3 and 9. Both numbers we get in 3 table. So this 3 by 9, if it is divided by same number 3 and 3, then we get 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So here 3 by 9, this 3 by 9 is equals to 1 by 3. Then second one, 8 by 16. 8 by 16. This 8 by 16 we can reduce by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Or you can reduce it by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Or 8 by 16, you can divide it by 8 itself. So here 8 by 16, reduce it by 8. Divide it by 8. So both numerator and denominator, you should divide it by 8. Then we get 8 ones are 8 and here 8 twos are 16. So here 8 by 16 is equals to 1 by 2. And this is called a reduced form, simplest form. This is simplification of any given number. Still one example, 15 by 25. Now 15 and 25, both numbers you will find in 5 table, isn't it? 5 threes are 15 and 5 fives are 25. So this 15 by 25, reduce it by 5. Divide both numbers by 5, you will get 5 threes are 15 and 5 fives are 25. So here 15 by 25, it is reduced to 3 by 5. And here value of 15 by 25 remains the same as 3 by 5. So here both values are same. So here to get a simplified form of a fraction with lower terms, divide the numerator and denominator of given fraction by same number. So here both numerator and denominator, they are divided by the same number. Now still one example, let we go. Here one big number is given, 36 by 42. So here 36 by 42. We should find 36 and 42 in which table we get. If we are not finding in which bigger number, in which table we find 36 and 42, at least we know they are even numbers. So even numbers are easily divisible by 2. So here first let me divide this 36 by 42 by 2. So here we'll get 2 18s and 2 21s. So this is the first step to reduce the 36 by 42. Now check, can you reduce still this 18 by 21 to simplest form? Can you reduce this number? Can you divide 18 and 21 by any other number? Can you get 18 and 21 in one table? Yes, 18 and 21 we get in 3 table, isn't it? 3 6s are 18 and 3 7s are 21. So again let me reduce this 18 by 21 by 3. So divide both numerator and denominator by 3, then you will get 3 6s are 18 and 3 7s are 21. Now this is 6 by 7. This 6 by 7, still can you reduce it? Are you getting this 7 and 6 and 7 in same table? No, other than 1. So 1 6 ja 6 and 1 7 ja 7. 6 and 7 we are getting in one table only. So here this is the very simplest form of 36 by 42. Still you can't reduce it. So here simplest form of 36 by 42 is 6 by 7. Even you can do this directly. 36 by 42, we know these two numbers we are getting in 6 table, isn't it? So here 6 6 are 36 and 6 7 are 42. Directly you can write 36 by 42 is equals to 6 by 7. It's not compulsory that every time first you should divide by 2, then you should divide by 3 and you should make a lengthy process. If you know table that 36 and 42 we are getting in a single table 6, then directly you can reduce it to the simplest form. This understood, children? Then let me go to exercise 5.4. Here exercise 5.4. Only one main question is there. Here reduce each of the following fraction to its lowest form. So first one, in that first one it is 8 by 16. So we know 8 by 16 is equals to 8 by 16 divided by both 8 and 16 we get in 8 table. So divide both numerator and denominator by 8 and 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So here 8 by 16 is equals to 1 by 2. Second one, 5 by 10. 5 and 10 both we get in 5 table, isn't it? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So this 5 by 10 is equals to 5 by 10 divided by 5 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Therefore 5 by 10 is equals to 1 by 2. Third question, C1. It is 54 by 108. Now 54 and 108, in which table we are finding? If we don't know, then reduce it by 2 because both are even number. So 54 by 108 divided by 2. So 2 27s are and 2 54s are. Now again 27 and 54, you can reduce it by 3, isn't it? So this 27 by 54 divide by 3. Then we'll get 3 9s are 27 and in 54 table where you will get 3? 18 3s are 54, isn't it? 18 3s are 54. Again 9 by 18, still can you reduce both this fraction? Yes, 9 by 18 we can reduce it by 9 table itself. So here 9 by 18 divided by 9 by 9, 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. So this you can write as 54 by 108 is equals to 1 by 2. This directly you can do as 54 by 108. So this 54 by 108 divided by 54 by 54. 54 ones are 54 and 54 twos are, it is 108. And directly you can write as 54 by 108 is equals to 1 by 2. Here if you know that double of 54 is 108 and easily both numbers are divisible by 54, then directly you can do this process. You can avoid the long process, long method. Okay. Then let me go to D question. here fourth question. Fourth one, it is 4 by 20. 4 by 20, we find both numbers in 4 table. So divide 4 by 20 by 4 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20. So here 4 by 20 is equals to 1 by 5. 4 by 20 we can write as 1 by 5. Then fifth question, it is 3 by 15. Very easy question. 3 and 15 we find in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So here 3 by 15 we write as 3 by 15 divided by 3 by 3. So here 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So this 3 by 15 is written as 1 by 5. Then sixth question, sixth one, it is 12 by 16. Now 12 and 16 both are even numbers we get in 2 table. But can you find this 12 and 16 in any other number? Yes, 12 and 16 we get in 4 table also. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So here 12 by 16 you can divide both numbers by 4. So here 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So 12 by 16 is equals to 3 by 4. Then let me go to seventh question. Seventh one. So children, you feel like playing with numbers, isn't it? Both numbers in which table we find and then we divide it and we reduce it to the simplest form as if you are playing with the numbers. So here 9 by 27, 9 and 27 you will find in 9 table itself. 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. So 9 by 27 is equals to 9 by 27 divided by 9 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. So this 9 by 27 is equals to 1 by 3. Then eighth question, 36 and 48. So 36 and 48 in which table we find? 12s are? Yes, 12 3s are 36 and 12 4s are 48. So 36 by 48. Divide both numbers by 12. So 12 3s are 36 and 12 4s are 48. So 36 by 48 is equals to, it is 3 by 4. Then ninth question, it is 24 by 56. 24 and 56 in which table we find? 2 table? Yes. Then 3 table? Check. In 3 table we find 24, but 56 we won't get in 3 table. 4 table? 4. Yes, 4 table also we find. 4 6s are 24 and 4 16s are 4. Yes. Or 24 and 56, which table we find? 8 table. 8 3s are 8 7s are. So let me find it by 8. So 24 and 56 you find in 8 table, the biggest number, 56. 24 by 56, you can divide this by 8. So 8 3s are 24 and 8 7s are 56. So here 24 by 56 is equals to, it is 3 by 7. Then last question, 10th one, it is 24 and 72. 10th question, 24 by 72. If you know 24 table, then 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 42 and 24 threes are 72 we are getting. But if you don't know 24 table, then reduce it by 2, you will get 24 by 72 divided by 2. Then you will find 2 12s are 24 and 2 36 are. Again 12 by 36, you can reduce it by 2. So 12 by 36, reduce again by 2, then it is 2 6s are 12 and 2 18s are 36. Then again 6 by 18, you can reduce it by 2. So it is 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. Again 3 by 9, you can reduce to, you can divide both numbers by 3 and 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 24 by 72 you can write as 1 by 3. Or directly you can do 24 by 72. 24 by 72 divided by 24 by 24, same number. Then 24 ones are 24 and 24 threes are 72. So here 24 by 72 is equals to 1 by 3. And here we completed fractions. So children, complete your notes properly and be safe at home.